how to set up Nova trading bot. So first, go to the Nova bot on Telegram. Once you're in Telegram, click Start. This activates the bot and allows you to begin using its features. Next, connect your Solana wallet to Nova. If you don't have a wallet yet, create one. Using Bullx to import your wallet into Nova, click Settings, Wallet, and Import Wallet here. You type in the name of the wallet and copy your private key. Now that your wallet is connected, you need to make it default so you use the right wallet when trading coins. To do this, simply click on Settings, Wallet, and add New Default Wallet. From here, you select your newly added wallet. Alright, now that your wallet is connected, we can start looking at the settings. To buy with Nova, use the command /start and paste a coin address. This opens up a buy menu where you can decide how much you want to buy for once. Buying it opens up a sell menu to sell your position. So that's it for setting up Nova. Keep it simple and happy trading. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.